Welcome back, Northwest Lake County, to Dick Barr's Market Minute. I'm Dick Barr, your navigator through the high-stakes world of real estate. And if you want to stay on top of the market game in Northwest Lake County, smash that subscribe button right now. And let's dive into this week's market moves and get the edge on where the deals are closing. It's time to multiply your real estate knowledge. In the arena this week, we've had 7 fresh listings stepping into the ring, joining a competitive lineup of over 170 active listings in Northwest Lake County. The contract scene is bustling with 26 homes under contract in the last 7 days, showing serious market momentum compared to the 90 over the past month. The closing bell rang for 145 homes this month, just shy of last year's 152, marking a slight 5% decrease. With an average market time of 30 days and a 2-month supply of inventory, we're seeing a market that's fast-paced yet balanced, offering opportunities for both quick strikes and strategic plays. The price range spread from a modest $71,000 to a commanding $750,000, and that indicates a market with depth and diversity. Now, let's zoom in on the local towns that make up Northwest Lake County, starting with Antioch. The landscape here is heating up, with 1 new listing, but a 30% year-over-year increase in closings signals a bullish trend. With a 48-day market time and a healthy 2-month supply of inventory, the median sales price of $311,000 showcases a market with room to grow and compete. Next, we head over to Volo, where this town is a gold rush. They had a staggering 300% increase in closings from last year. And the action here is fast, with an average market time of only 23 days, and with no active listings. It's a seller's jackpot. A median price of $366,000 points to a market that is on the rise, with buyers eager to strike while the irons. Now let's head over to Fox Lake, where it's a tale of 2 markets here. Fox Lake had an 88% dip in closings from last year, and that paints a challenging picture. With only an 11-day average market time, it's clear that well-priced homes are just flying off the shelves. The single price point of $219,000 could indicate a market that's ripe for strategic pricing. Now we head over to Grayslake, Haynesville, and Wildwood. And they represent a steady ship with a 4% increase in closings year over year. Homes here are selling at a solid pace with only a 26-day market time and a price range of $134,000 to $480,000, with a median price tag of only $275,000. And that shows a community with options for every level of buyer. Gurnee, it's all about the growth here. With a 25% jump in closings and a brisk 24.5-day market time, prices ranging from $240,000 to $637,000, and a median sales price in the past 30 days of only $380,000. Gurnee's market is diverse and dynamic. Heading over to Ingleside, the market's correcting with a 14% year-over-year decrease. But don't be fooled by the 49-day market time. With a 4-month supply of inventory, savvy buyers will find value in the range of $127,000 to $425,000, with a median price of only $206,000. Now to my backyard of Lindenhurst and Lake Villa. There's no new listings this week, but the market's hot with a 13% increase in closings and a 30-day market time. This broad price spectrum from $100,000 to $560,000, with a median of only $300,000, shows a market with serious potential. The Round Lake area, despite a 39% dip in closings, the 25-day market time tells us that demand is there for the right property. With a median price of $235,000, it's a market that knows its value and is not afraid to show it. Old Mill Creek and Wadsworth, a slight 17% decrease in closings year over year, but an 11-day market time, and that indicates a fiercely competitive scene. High stakes are at play, with prices from $225,000 to $750,000, with a median price of $500,000. It's a market for the bold. In this market, it's not just about the numbers. It's about understanding the story they tell. Knowledge isn't just power, it's profit. A 5% decrease in sales year over year means opportunity. It means the market's right for those who know when to strike and where to buy. The key, working with someone who doesn't just read the market, but understands its pulse. In Antioch, a 30% increase in closings signals a rising tide. Volo, with its meteoric 300% increase, is a testament to spotting trends before they peak. And while Fox Lake shows an 88% dip in closings, the rapid 11-day market time reveals a niche for quick deals. Grayslake and its neighbors stand as a beacon of consistency, while Gurnee's 25% increase in sales showcases a thriving market. Ingleside, with its slower pace, is a haven for the deliberate buyer, as is the case in Lindenhurst and Lake Villa, where the market is accelerating. Round Lake's current slowdown is a strategic pause, a reset before the next big wave. Old Mill Creek and Wadsworth's elite market remains unfazed, a stronghold for premium purchases. What does this all mean for you? Well, whether you're buying or selling, having a guide who navigates these waters daily, someone who knows each town's story, someone who can read the signs and signals is invaluable. And that's where the Dick Bard Group steps in. We're not just in the market, we're ahead of the market, ensuring you're not just making a move, but you're making the right move. Remember, in real estate, timing is everything, and knowledge is the ace up your sleeve. Let's make sure your next play is a winning one. Reach out to us and let's talk strategy. Until next time, this is Dick Barr, Dick Barr's Market Minute. Stay informed, stay ahead, and stay tuned for next week's update. It's your move.